Hi, this is Praveen. Welcome to Praveen Tutorials for Physics. Today, I came with a new topic which belongs to numericals based on the mirrors formula that previously I discussed with you. Here, the question is given on the screen. An object of size 7 centimeters is placed at 27 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to obtain a sharp image? Find size and nature of the image. Already, this how to solve in the 4 marks or long answer type questions discussed in previous video. So here, if this question is asked in the multiple choice questions, how to solve this question? If it is asked in multiple choice questions, just for half mark, right? By giving the options as you see here. Option A, enlarged and inverted. Option B, enlarged and direct. Option C, diminished and inverted. And the option D, diminished and erect. So here 4 options are given that which are related to magnification and the type of image. Here to say about it's a magnification or it is inverted or erect image, you need to find out the object distance or the image height. Here to decide the characteristics of the image, compulsory you need to find out the image distance and height of the image to know it is as enlarged or inverted image. That means here you need to solve this as you see on the screen. These many steps you have to solve. So here using the mirror formula, you need to substitute that quantities which are given in the question by taking them according to sign convention. After many steps following as you see on the screen, then you will get the answer at the end. So here I got the V is equals to image distance, then finding the magnification using the formula M equal to Hi by H naught, that is equals to minus V by U relation. Then finally I'll get the image height. Then I will decide that screen should be placed at 54 centimeters. So these many steps we are solving just for half mark. It is time waste process. So how can I get that answer within less number of steps? So without finding image distance or without finding a image height, it is impossible to answer that which option is correct for the given question. So for that, just I'm going to depend on the new formula that is here simply magnification M is equals to F by F minus U. So this is the new relation that which give you the relation between the magnification M, focal length F, and the object distance U. So here simply F value given in your question and U value also given in your question. So look at that. According to sign convention, that object height is given as 7 centimeters and object distance U is equals to minus 27 centimeters and the focal length of concave mirror is negative minus 18 centimeters. Let me substitute that values in the relation M equal to F by F minus U. So here M is equals to F value is minus 18 centimeters substituted. Then in the denominator also minus 18 substituted for F and minus U. Here U is minus 27 substituted. That is equals to here minus 18 in the numerator as it is. In the denominator, you will get 9. Minus into minus will become plus. It is plus 27. So plus 27 minus 18 will become 9. Then let me cancel by using 9 table here. 9 1 ja and 9 2 ja. So here simply it will be remains as minus 2 here. So I got minus 2 for the magnification M. M equal to minus 2. Here I have magnification relation as you see here. M equal to Hi by H naught. So I'm going to use that relation to find out Hi. So by transposing, I'll write Hi is equals to M into H naught. So this is the relation between the image height, magnification, and object height. So directly I am able to find out image height by using hi is equals to m into h naught. Let me substitute that value. So substituting that hi is equals to, I'll get minus 2 into 7. Object height is 7. So minus 2 into 7 is equal to minus 14. So image height is minus 14 centimeters. I got image height. So image height is greater than object height. Remember that. Then I want to find out a image distance also. How to find out image distance here? By using same magnification relation. So minus v by u is equals to m. So m I'm going to substitute directly. That is I is here minus 2. So minus minus gets cancelled here, either sides. Then what is remaining here? From this, I'll write v equal to 2 into u. That relation I'll get by transposing. Then substitute u value. Therefore, v equal to 2 into minus 27. U value is minus 27 substituted. So 2 into minus 27 is what? Minus 54. So v is equal to minus 54 centimeters. Then here what I am able to decide here, comparison between object height and image height. So image height is greater than object height. So from this I am able to say it is enlarged image. Then compare object distance, image distance. So v is greater than u. Isolate here, v is negative. So negative, it is in front of the mirror and it is measured below the principal axis because it is real image. In front of the mirror, always the real image formed, real image always inverted image. So this you have to compare. From this I am able to decide that image is enlarged or magnified. So enlarged image and inverted image. So that option A is suitable for the question. So like this we can solve with less number of steps. If you practice well, just you are able to solve this just within the 1 minute time. It is possible only by your practice. So this is the concept for this video. So it may be clear to you. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.